Matt from Sign Customiser here. Just want to talk about the latest updates that we've done for Sign Customiser relating to the AI Sign Designer. And in this update, I'm going to announce that we are now officially going live with AI Sign Designer, and we'll be rolling out to pretty much store owners over the next few weeks. Just seeing how scale goes, and yeah, we'll just be rolling out slowly, but we are officially beginning the rollout process. I know everybody's been really wanting to get access to this feature, and yeah, I'm just gonna say that we're finally ready here. So without further ado, let's go and talk about what's new. One thing that we've really wanted to make sure that would work really well is support for neon signs. So I can say that now we've officially got there. Let's go and test it out. Let's start with this one. This image here is, I'll just bring it into screen. This image here, astronaut, it's in a 3D kind of Fox kind of design. It's not photorealistic, but at the same time, it almost is, right? It's been rendered very high quality. So let's go ahead and see how this kind of image would fare with AI Sign Designer. Okay, so you can see here that it done a perfect rendition of the sign. Like, I'll go back and just show you the preview again of that image. You can see here, we've removed the backboard. We don't want to have the backboard, showing an AI sign design. That's really a really cool feature that I believe is going to be so helpful here. Is we're able to take only the actual relevant sign design elements, e.g. the tubings, the letters, the parts that would make up the real portion of the design. Reason being is on Sign Customizer, we already support multiple different backing options. You don't want to include that in the design. We will on Sign Customizer be able to let the customer select these options, provided that you have enabled them on your customizer. So there's the design, and then there's what we've interpreted. Bear in mind that this is a fully scalable vector, and you will be able to, the customer will be able to change the colors, the face color if they want, or no face color. Yeah, it's all available there. Okay, let's move on. Let's now do this one here. It is a tiny image. So it's going to be very interesting to see. Actually, this is, a fairly complex neon sign design, right? Let's give it a crack. Okay, here we go. We've got now the design that it's been upscaled. Well, not only has it been upscaled, but it's turned into a fully, completely scalable vector, so it can enlarge or shrink as far as you want to go. I'll test it. Another new little feature that we've implemented is zoom in, zoom out capabilities. This is available for all merchants already across AI Sign Designer designs and also text based designs as well. You can just keep scaling in and out, and it is a vector, and it works as intended. So you can see here, it's pretty much done it. Let me show you the comparison as well. Bring it up, and that is the original. It is, like I said, a tiny image, very low, poor quality, and we have been able to fully interpret all the colors, all the sizings. All the sizings of the elements. All the elements are pretty much pixel, what we classify as pixel perfect interpretation of a design, and it's all ready to go to be purchased. I think it's very cool. Last demo I'll show you is we've also gone ahead and, since the video that I released just before Christmas, it's now January the 8th, we've been able to fix a ton of issues when it came to rendering and interpreting, especially for a lot of graphic-based designs. In that video, I had an issue with this particular image. I think one of the parts here was missing. We've been able to identify the root cause of that and fix it. I'll just quickly... Okay. So, as you can see here from the design, it's pretty much... sorry, let me bring this up. As you can see here, it's pretty much a one-to-one. We've been able to really get that design coherence between taking a graphic and interpreting it into an SVG vector. Remember, this was just a PNG, 56 kilobytes, and it's spot on now. This is why we're going to market now, launching it to production for merchants all across the world, because we feel now that it is ready for prime time. Quickly, just finally, how do you access AI Sign Designer for your store? How does that work? Let's go through it in the admin. So when it comes to it as well, one of the big things that I'd like to talk about is every time or to use AI Sign Designer, you would need to purchase credits, which has all been set up. Just on my demo out right now. So you can find it in plans. There's an AI credit section that we've created, and you can purchase credits here. And this will give you a bunch of credits. Basically, one sign design or one AI sign design will cost 1 credit, and there are discounts for purchasing more credits. If you are a large manufacturer or a large institution and you're looking to purchase a lot more, we can discuss that further and arrange something. So that's that quickly, and I wanted to talk about I think that's really going to be helpful here too. One thing I want to bring up is we've brought AI Sign Designer into the admin, and so you can actually go ahead and you can test the admin, and it would actually generate these vectors pretty much the exact same way as the front end customizer will do, that customers will see, and you set up there. This allows you as a merchant to basically bypass having to go to set up AI Sign Designer on a customizer if you don't want to, and actually just utilize this particular feature, which is the ability to convert any image into a scalable vector that can be used for producing the sign designs. And I think that is going to be an incredibly useful feature for merchants all around the world. So that is another way to do it. Again, that's just found in AI Sign Designs on the admin. And from there you can go there and you can also get more credits, and that will be taking you to that page as well. So that's really everything that we've got now about AI Sign Designer. If you've been really following along on these YouTube videos I've been creating, and thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. If you want to find out more about AI Sign Designer in general, on our website, just click on the top bar here, AI SignMaker, and we talk about, well, we've got everything here, I believe, enough information here, and we'll keep updating this landing page with everything that you need in order to understand it and explore its use cases. It's it's pretty much a very new product and something that hasn't actually been done before. We are the first to go to market here with this feature in its format. It has a bit of learning behind it. So yeah, we're always working it, we're always learning, and yeah, looking forward to working with you and to getting it onto your store. Thank you and goodbye.